In the world of nonwovens, quality is everything. From hygiene products to medical applications, only flawless material earns the trust of brand owners. But even the smallest defect can impact performance and appearance. Brand owners demand consistent quality, and producers must prove they can deliver. Automated surface inspection gives producers full transparency, detecting, classifying, and documenting every deviation in real time. With complete process visibility, producers can reduce waste, optimize efficiency, and build trust with brand owners. Surface inspection for nonwovens, ensuring flawless products accepted by the world's leading brands.